All right, ever have trouble getting all the toothpaste out of your toothpaste tube? Well, this thing is supposed to do it for you. So let's check it out and see how it works. All right, here we have our toothpaste tube. And if you look, you've got a little key on this. And it opens it to a little slot in which you can slip this in there, like that. And then, let me turn it this way so you can see it. Wait a minute, let me do it so you can see the name. All right, bam. All right, so here we are. And then all you do is roll this in, like that. All right, so I'm gonna pop the cap. Then we're gonna keep rolling till we see something. Here we go, we're almost there. See it? Burp. That's how it works. And now I'm ready to rock. So now the toothpaste is all up in here. And we're good. So check it out. See how it's all rolled up in there? There's your key that you roll it with. And it stays lit because this thing inside there, you see that little doohickey right there? That pushes up against it and holds it. So this thing works fantastic. It's pretty cheap too. And it's all stainless steel. So I think it's made in China. Anyway, super cool, huh? You can just leave that sitting right on your counter. So next time you're ready to brush your teeth, you just grab her and bam, Bob's your uncle. I highly recommend this thing. It's one of the best things I ever bought on Amazon. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.